Every time you open a website, scroll a feed, or click a button, your browser is constantly talking to a server. And it does that using HTTP requests. But here's the key part. Each request uses something called an HTTP method. Think of HTTP methods like instructions. You're telling the server exactly what you want to do. Let's start with the most common one. Get simply means give me data. When you open a website like YouTube, your browser sends a GET request to load videos, thumbnails, comments, everything you see. GET does not change anything. It only retrieves information. It's like walking into a restaurant and asking, "Can I see the menu?" You're not ordering yet, just looking. Next is POST. POST means send data to the server. This is used when you create something like signing up, uploading a photo, or posting a comment. For example, when you post something, your app sends a POST request with your content to the server where the data is then stored. It's like telling the waiter, "Here's my order." You're creating something new. Now, put and patch are both used for updating data, but they work differently. Put replaces existing data completely. For example, if you edit your entire profile, name, bio, and profile picture, the app sends a put request with the full updated version, and the server overwrites the old one entirely. Patch, on the other hand, updates only part of the data. If you just change your username, only that small piece is sent and updated. So, put is like saying replace everything, while patch is saying just fix this one part. Then we have delete. Delete means exactly what it sounds like, remove data completely. When you delete a post, remove a comment, or even delete your account, a delete request is sent to the server and that data is removed. It's like saying erase this permanently. Now let's look at the less common ones. Head is basically a lightweight version of get. It asks for information about a resource without downloading the actual content. For example, before downloading a large file, a browser might send a head request to check its size or last updated date. It's like asking, "Tell me about it, but don't send it yet." Options is used to ask the server what actions are allowed. It returns which HTTP methods can be used on a specific resource. This is commonly used in APIs before making a request. It's like asking, "What can I do here?" Finally, connect is used to create a secure tunnel between the client and the server. This is what happens behind the scenes when you use HTTPS. Your browser establishes a secure connection so data can be transmitted safely. It's like saying, "Let's open a private, secure channel between us." So to summarize, get retrieves data, post creates data, put replaces data, patch updates part of data, delete removes data, head retrieves metadata, options shows allowed actions, and connect creates a secure connection. Every time you scroll, post, edit, or delete something in an app, you're using these methods. You're not just clicking, you're sending instructions across the internet. And now you understand exactly what those instructions mean. If you want more tech explained simply like this, subscribe.